Hey growers, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jeff,
And I'm Jordan.
and today we've got something exciting to share. How we managed to save big bucks on a water chiller for our 90-gallon RDWC system.
So we're on the hunt for a water chiller, and if you've ever been in the hydroponics game, you know that they can be really pricey.
Absolutely, Jordan. We stumbled upon a game-changing DIY method that not only saved us over $700, but also made our nutrient temperatures way more manageable.
So we found this gem of a YouTube video where they transformed a mini fridge from Facebook Marketplace into a budget-friendly water chiller. Obviously, we were intrigued and we decided to give it a shot.
We purchased a cheap mini fridge, followed the instructions from the video, and placed our air pumps inside it. It was surprisingly easy, and the entire setup cost us a fraction of what a traditional water chiller would have.
So fast forward 2 weeks, and guess what? Everything is still running smoothly. The mini fridge hack is a complete success.
Before adding the mini fridge, we struggled to lower nutrient temperatures below the air temps that was inside our grow area. It was a constant battle.
But now, with the air pumps in the mini fridge, our nutrient temps consistently stay at least 7 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than the air temps inside the grow area.
So there you have it, folks. A cost-effective and efficient DIY solution for your RDWC system. Saving money without compromising performance is always a win.
And also, if you're on a budget or just love a good do it yourself challenge, give this a try and don't forget to check out the video that inspired us, and we'll link that in the description below.
Thanks for tuning in, growers. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more hydroponic hacks, and share your own experiences in the comments below.
Until next time, everybody, happy growing!